Book of Ezra Bible Quiz Questions. 1. Who was the king of Persia who allowed the Jews to return and rebuild the temple? A. Darius. B. Cyrus. C. Xerxes. D. Artaxerxes. Answer: B. Cyrus. 2. What was the main purpose of the Jews' return to Jerusalem in the Book of Ezra? A. To rebuild the city walls. B. To restore the monarchy. C. To rebuild the temple of the Lord. D. To expand their territory. Answer: C. To rebuild the temple of the Lord. 3. Who led the first group of exiles back to Jerusalem? A. Ezra. B. Nehemiah. C. Zerubbabel. D. Joshua. Answer: C. Zerubbabel. 4. Which prophet encouraged the people to continue rebuilding the temple? A. Isaiah. B. Jeremiah. C. Haggai. D. Ezekiel. Answer: C. Haggai. 5. What happened when the foundation of the temple was laid? A. Everyone fasted. B. The people wept and rejoiced. C. The enemies attacked. D. The king visited. Answer: B. The people wept and rejoiced. 6. Who opposed the rebuilding of the temple? A. The Babylonians. B. The Egyptians. C. The Samaritans. D. The Philistines. Answer: C. The Samaritans. 7. Under whose reign was the rebuilding of the temple stopped temporarily? A. Cyrus. B. Darius. C. Artaxerxes. D. Nebuchadnezzar. Answer: C. Artaxerxes. 8. Which king later ordered the rebuilding of the temple to continue? A. Cyrus. B. Darius. C. Xerxes. D. Artaxerxes. Answer: B. Darius. 9. In which year was the temple finally completed? A. The second year of Cyrus. B. The sixth year of Darius. C. The first year of Artaxerxes. D. The 10th year of Xerxes. Answer: B. The sixth year of Darius. 10. Who was Ezra by profession? A. A king. B. A soldier. C. A priest and scribe. D. A prophet. Answer: C. A priest and scribe.